Hello Ashley Ballet Arts Academy dancers and parents, this is Miss Ashley. Today I'm going to show you a video about how to make your own portable at-home dance bar. I've gotten inquiries from parents over the past few years on where to buy at-home dance bars. You can go online and purchase one from several different companies that make them. However, I find them to be a little more expensive and not quite as sturdy as the ones that you can build yourself from materials at a hardware store. In the description of this video, I've also shared a shopping list with you so you know that you're buying everything that you need. This is also an affordable option. All in all, it costs about $100. It depends on the hardware store. Also, not every hardware store will custom cut the pipe for you for free. Sometimes they charge it. It kind of depends on the store and the worker that you encounter that day. So let's talk about the height of the bar. You want it to be so that the dancer can comfortably rest their hand on the bar with the elbow slightly lower than the wrist. This is so that they can be relaxed, yet have that little pressure to feel that they have assistance with their balance, which is the purpose of a ballet bar. If it's too low, it's going to affect their alignment and they're going to be leaning down. If it's too high, those shoulders are going to creep up and affect your upper body alignment. So I recommend taking that measurement. It's okay if it's a little bit higher if you want your dancer to grow into the ballet bar if you have a younger dancer. All right, so this ballet bar is for the younger dancer. This ballet bar is for the older dancer. So it'll depend on what height you want for your particular at-home ballet bar. There are going to be several pipes that you need to purchase. This one is a 10-foot pipe. Typically at hardware stores, they come pre-threaded. That's the little threading at the end that's going to help you attach these other pieces. So the 10-foot poles typically come pre-threaded, but I recommend getting something smaller for your at-home bar. About 5 feet should be good. Okay, so you can just ask at the hardware store if they'll cut them down to that size, or you can check if that hardware store has that size available online. Okay, so you're going to need the top bar and then 2 leg pieces. I call these the leg pieces. Okay, then you're going to need 2 foot pieces. Again, these 10-inch pieces come pre-threaded at the hardware store, so you can just pick them right out of the little bin. That makes it really easy. So you have these 2 little feet, okay, and then we have these 3 elbows and this T. So when you go to assemble it, I recommend doing it in this order. Assemble the feet with the elbow first, then attach the T. Then do the next foot with the elbow. Then insert this piece. This piece happens to be about 30 inches. This whole bar is about 34 inches high because the elbow adds a few inches. This particular one is 36 inches, so the whole bar is about 40 inches high. After you assemble the legs, you're going to set this down and make the second leg that you see there. Okay? After you've assembled those 2, you're going to take the top piece and you wind it around. Okay? And then you take the other piece and wind it around. At the end, you're going to want to take a wrench and a little bit of elbow grease to get it really tight so it's not wiggly and wobbly. And there you have it. It's as simple as that. You have your own at-home ballet bar. Again, this isn't required. A chair or a countertop will suffice for a bar. But if you want a fun project to do with your mom or dad, you can do this. It's not difficult. In fact, I built these ballet bars that are at Ashley Ballet Arts Academy with Miss Lisa and with my mom. All right, enjoy the video. I hope you have fun. Thanks, bye.